Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Our topic is biogas plant. Firstly, biogas. It's a mixture of gas produced by the microorganisms during the anaerobic fermentation of biodegradable materials. Anaerobic fermentation is a biochemical process in which particular kinds of bacteria digest biomass in an oxygen-free environment, resulting in production of CH4, CO2, H2 and traces of other gases along with decomposed mass. Let us see the components of biogas. Methane 50 to 70%, carbon dioxide 30 to 40%, hydrogen 5 to 10%, nitrogen 1 to 2%, water vapor 0.3%, hydrogen sulfide traces. Microbiology of biogas production. The biogas production process involves three stages, namely hydrolysis, acid formation, methane formation.
Hydrolysis: the complex organic molecules like fat, starches and proteins which are water-insoluble contained in a cellulose biomass are broken down into simple compounds with the help of enzymes secreted by the bacteria. This stage is also known as polymer breakdown stage. The major end product is glucose, which is a simple product. Acid formation: the resultant product obtained in hydrolysis stage serves as input for acid formation stage bacteria. Product produced in previous stages are fragmented under anaerobic condition to form different acids. The major product produced at the end of this stage are acetic acid, propionic acid, butyric acid and ethanol.
Methane formation. The acetic acid produced in the previous stages is converted into methane and carbon dioxide by a group of microorganisms called methanogens. In other words, it is process of production of methane by methanogens. Methanogens utilize the intermediate products of the preceding stages and convert them into methane, carbon dioxide and water. It is these components that make up the majority of the biogas emitted from the system. Methanogens is sensitive to both high and low pH and occur between pH 6.5 and pH 8.
Myself Likhit, I am here to explain about the biodigester. The biodigester is a physical structure commonly known as the biogas plant. Since the various chemical and microbiological reactions take place in the biodigester, it is also known as a bioreactor or anaerobic reactor. The main function of the structure is to provide anaerobic condition within it. As a chamber, it should be air and water tight. Floating drum type KVC model. Here, slurry is prepared by mixing water in capital tank in equal proportion in mixing tank. The slurry is then injected into a digester tank with the help of the inlet pipe. The digester tank is closed underground tank made up of bricks. Inside the digester tank, the complex carbon compounds present in the cattle dung breaks into the simple substances by the actions of anaerobic microorganisms in the presence of the water. This anaerobic decomposition of the complex carbon compounds present in the cattle dung produces biogas and gets completed in about 60 days. The biogas so produced starts to collect in floating gas holder and it's supplied to the homes through pipes, and spent slurry is replaced from time to time with fresh slurry to continue the production of the biogas. Advantages of the floating drum plant: it has less troubles because solids are constantly submerged, no separate pressure equalizing device needed when fresh waste is added to the tank or digested slurry is withdrawn. In it, the danger of mixing oxygen with the gas to form an explosive mixture it is minimized. Higher gas production per me of the digester volume is achieved. Floating drum has welded brasses which help in breaking the scum by rotation of the floating drum about a vertical axis. No problem of gas leakage, constant gas pressure. Disadvantages: it is a higher cost due to use of steel and cement. Heat is lost through the metal gas holder, hence it troubles in winter and in the colder regions. Gas holder requires painting once or twice a year. Flexible pipes joining the gas holder need maintenance.
Thank you. This is all about floating drum type KVIC model.